Hi, I'm Jake Hellum and I'm working on the propagation of mint chocolate strawberries. The purpose of this experiment is to grow two mint chocolate plants and also grow my own strawberries, and then combine the two through propagation. Propagation is a process of cutting the leaf or stem off of one plant and taping it to the cut-off stem of another plant using florist tape. I want them to grow and form together, and hopefully once they are finished growing, eat them. If they turned out the way I planned, I am going to keep growing and propagating. To have healthy strawberry seeds, you must germinate them. My proposal to germinate the strawberry seeds was to let them dry out, then put them in a Ziploc bag with a damp paper towel underneath. To get them to sprout, put in the sun and leave for a couple of weeks until they sprout. Once they sprout, use the germinating method of getting a tub, filling it with water, getting a big styrofoam table, and cut holes the size of your pot for your plant. Take out the tub after each plant is moist and wet at the top. I ended up not following that proposal. What I did was once the seeds came in the mail, I got a damp paper towel and laid the seeds on the towel. Then folded up the towel and put it in a petri dish. The dish had a full 8 hours of sunlight a day. Every other day I used a spray bottle to keep the towel damp. After a month or so, the seeds sprouted, and then I planted them in soil. I sprayed them daily so they would stay moist. They also have 8 hours of light a day in the pot. Everything is growing great with strawberries so far. When my mint chocolate plants came in, I planted them in a pot with compost. I then put the pots in a greenhouse. I watered the bottom of the tray they were laying in every other day. The plants were very thirsty the first couple of weeks. After about 3 weeks, they started to grow and settle in. I had to trim them from now and then to keep them from growing out of control. My class would use the trimmed leaves to put in a wheatgrass juice, which was very good. My teacher would use the leaves to put in her tea, and we would also use them to nibble on. They were super minty. After about 2 months of them growing and my teacher and I trimming, we started to notice black spots on the leaves. We noticed them right before Thanksgiving break. When I came back from break, I walked in and saw that the plant was dying and was covered in black spots. I researched and found out what the black spots were. It is called mint rust. It's normal for a mint plant to form mint rust. I talked it over with my teacher and we decided to just cut the plant down to the stem and salvage the good looking parts. We also decided to put fresh new soil in the container instead of compost. They're still getting watered every other day and getting 8 hours of light each day.